Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial in C++, and today's topic is going to be about character output. So here I have Visual Studio open and I have a tutorial1.cpp file. So to access the character output function, you must first include the iostream. Let's create a main function. The character output function is in the namespace std cout, and we do the insertion operator less than, and first let's start with an integer, let's say 1, and we do insertion again. This is the insertion operator, and we do this character right here is the new line character. Let's play this. Instead of the new line, we could also do endl. I think this should be it should include the standard. To avoid these std colons, we can also do using namespace std, and we can essentially remove these standard colons. But for this tutorial purpose, I will be including all of these colons just to understand where it comes from. Next, we'll go to a double. Let's print this out. To print out doubles using precision, we must include the IO manipulator. IO and then manip. And before the double, we include a insertion operator, and we do std fixed, and we also include std setprecision, and we set it to 2. And what this will do is include the double up until 2 decimal places. If we don't include the fixed, it will include it from the beginning. So it would include digits before the decimal place. So it'll be 1.1. Let's save this and print this out. And we can see here it prints out 1.1. with the integer, we also have the hex value. For example, let's print out 16. This should print out the hex value of 16. We also have octal. Prints out 20. Then, for example, let's say we have two couts. So what we see here are two printouts of 20, which is the octal value of 16. And the reason why the second one is printing 20 is because the octal value here, we're manipulating I, so further couts will always include the octal value of I. To change this, what we could do is change it to decimal. Again, and then further couts of the integer I will always print out the decimal value. So we can see here 2020, we changed the decimal manipulator, and the further couts will always print out the integer value of I. Next we will go on to characters. Let's say character I is A. So this should be single quotes. If we print this out, this should print out A. You can also print out strings. Hello world. To use strings, we must include the string library. This is a standard library. So, and we must also include the std namespace. And this should also be double quotes. Let's print out I. We can also have two strings. Let's say B. And we can concatenate the two strings and print this out. let's include a space here. For strings, we can also do print out the first character. Let's say I want to print out the H. We do I, then we take in the 0th element. And yep, there you have it. This is a quick tutorial on the standard cout function, the character output function. Hope this helped in any way or form. Please leave a like or subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting out more C++ tutorials. Thank you.